How to make a simple 8-page book. So all you need is a bone folder and your paper. So fold your paper into half on the long edge. Take your bone folder, apply pressure from center outwards. This allows you to create a smooth fold. And then next up, you want to fold your paper into 4 columns. And then now fold it back half again. So what we want to do at the fold side is make a cut. You can use a ruler and a penknife. Or simply just use a scissors and make that slit. Fold the first and the last column inwards. What you want to do is to lift the paper. You will see this diamond shape being made and actually flatten it. So again, flatten your papers. And there you have it, a simple 8-page book. If you're an attendee of the OFFCUT bookbinding workshop, you'll be given this info guide that you can reference. It's made the same way as the 8-page book. We have included the page numbers at the bottom. And you can also see that it's printed on one side.